Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to introduce you with Python programming language, which is a popular language all over the world. So before we learn Python, we should know why we are learning Python. So for a beginner, Python is a very easy language, and it is a high level language, which means just like human language or just like normal English. It is used for artificial intelligence and machine learning. So we can also do web development by using Python frameworks like Django and Flask. Also, in data science, Python is very popular language. Now I'll show you what we will learn from this course. So we will learn input, output, operators, data types, conditions, loops, and functions. This note might be in this serial, so it will be depends on their requirement.